Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Valerie. I have a little co-host named Violet, but she's not been over here today with me since I've been filming. So she's my little doggy. And I am your independent Scentsy consultant, guys. So welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. So today I am going to be updating you guys on all the Scentsy news that's going on and all the happenings that I know of, okay? So if you're interested in some of that, we got a lot of great stuff coming. We've got fall. We're in transition month, which means we're going to be transitioning. In just a couple days, we're going to be transitioning out of our spring and summer catalog for 2022, and we'll be transitioning into the fall and winter catalog for 2022. I love fall and winter scents. I love the tastes and the sounds and the smells and everything fall. And I'm excited. So I can't wait. So guys, let's get into this. All right. So the Island Days Wax Collection is here. It released, I think, July 25th. And so let's see what Scentsy has to say about it. The Island Days Wax Collection is just around the corner. Well, it's here. It's already here. This also means your opportunity to get these sunny new fragrances ahead of time. Well, that's for us, consultants. Just talks about the access kits. I thought I had other things it's talking about in here. All right. Oh, yeah, July 25th. The Island Days bundle is $25. It includes all 5 Island Days Scentsy bars, which are Driftwood and Jasmine Scentsy bar. Driftwood and Jasmine add depth to a beach of Tahitian vanilla. Ooh. I've not gotten these bars, and I don't think I'm going to get these bars, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. Salted Bergamot Breeze Scentsy bar. It's a refreshing ocean breeze, carries hints of pineapple to groves of salted bergamot. Sounds wonderful. And then there's the Star Apple and Freesia Scentsy bar, which is a burst of star apple and tropical mango garnished with pink freesia. Sunshine and Tan Line Scentsy bar, orange flower and creamy banana, sunbathed by a sea of whipped coconut. Tiare and Coconut Scentsy bar is silky tiare flower and coconut. Enjoy a breathtaking, sparkling citrus sunset. Individual Island Days Scentsy bars are available for $6 each. And individual Island Days Scentsy bars can be added to a 3-pack or a 6-pack bundle and save. All right, guys. So those are already available on my website. Yeah, I don't know how long they're going to say. They're normally a limited time offer, so you better grab and get them while you can. I did not get those because I'm just not into tropical scents, and I don't like a lot of summer scents. And I have got too many that I love already, so I decided to skip over that one. So I can't even, I'm not going to be bringing them on here at this point, that I don't think I'm going to. I may. I don't know. It depends. Sometimes I get them really, really late and then decide to do it, and sometimes I don't. So, that's it for the Island Days. What's it called? The Island Days Wax Collection. Okay? So, if you're interested in that, you can hop on my website and go to menu and then go to collections, and it should be listed there. All right? All right, guys. So, I don't know if all of you know, but we had Bring Back My Bar voting, and that was it this month? Yeah, it was this month. It was like the first week of July, I think. It started, I think, like on the, I don't know, maybe it was the second week of July. But we got to vote for the next round of Bring Back My Bars, which means, and it was fun. It was the first time I actually voted, and I was involved in it, and it was actually fun to get on there every day and to vote for the bars that I wanted. I can't remember which bars that I was really interested in. There was a couple in here, and I'll mention those. I think there's like 3 or 4 in here that I was kind of interested in, and they did get brought back. So I was kind of, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. But I don't know what I was voting for anyway, because none of these I have ever tried. So they have announced the winners of Bring Back My Bar. These will be available January 2023, I believe. Let me see here. let's see. Yeah, January 2023. So it says, after an incredible 503,550 votes were cast during Bring Back My Bar voting in July, the dust has settled, and it's time to announce which classic fragrances were triumphant. These Scentsy bars landed on top. So let's go. I don't have scent notes or anything. I am going to just go through the list and tell you who won, okay? So we will be going with the 20 that won, and then they have 5 special bars at the end that I will be talking about, okay? So let's see here. Woodland Suede, Green Tea Smoothie, Cucumber Lime, Melon and Apple Granita, Coconut Palm, Crumb Top, Flower Shop, Perk Me Up, that was the one that I voted for, Spiced Berries, Coconut Pumpkin Pie, Hazelnut Latte, I also voted for that one, Autumn Blaze Maple, Quiver, Apple Press, Pear Blossom and Cucumber, Fried Ice Cream, Rum Raisin Cookie, that sounds really good, Peppermint Rush, that was another one I wanted, Autumn Stroll, and Cranberry Muffin. So those are the 20 that got voted back, the top 20. Then it also goes on to say, plus this round, you'll get 5 extra chosen by Sentsy President and Interim CEO Dan Orchard. So he chose 5 that we're going to be also have available. Sticky Cinnamon Bun, Vanilla Cream, Flirtatious, Mediterranean Spa, and Pima Cotton. These classic Scentsy bars will be available for individual purchase through your workstation and personal website starting in January 2023 for a limited time. They will also be available to add to Scentsy Club subscriptions. If you'd like to sneak a whiff of the winning fragrances ahead of time, Bring Back My Bar sampler bundles will be available through your workstation before the winners are available to your customers. Okay, so that's for consultants. We will be able to get those earlier. That way we have time to smell them and warm them and see what we think, and that we can bring them to you. So we have time to prepare. So that is Bring Back My Bar, guys, for January 2023. I'm excited about it. I'm sorry I can't really tell you about a lot of the scents, because the notes, because I don't know. And I don't know, maybe I will do some research and see if I can find some of these scent notes and come back on and give you a few at a time, and we can discuss them, because we got a few months to go till that happens. But I wanted you guys to be aware of that. So that's something on the horizon we can look forward to. All right, everything else I've got, guys, is for August, I believe. Okay, so what to expect from our monthly product transition on August 1st. We're going to be transitioning from not only from the end of the July to August 1st, but we're also transitioning our catalogs as well. So let's see what this has to say. Okay, the following the following products will launch at 12:01 a.m. Pacific Time, Monday, August 1st, which is 12:02. It's 3 a.m. Eastern Time. That's my time, okay? The August Whiff Box, the August Scent of the Month, and the Fall and Winter 2022 catalog. Woo! I already got the catalogs too, guys, so yeah, I got it. It's cool. It's cool. Okay, so the following products will no longer be available for purchase and will leave your workstation and personal website after 11:56 p.m. Pacific Time, Sunday, July 31st, which would be 11:56, 12, 1, 2:56 p.m. It's always 3 hours ahead, I believe. So this is what's leaving July 31st. So if you guys want any of these items, either get it in your club or get it ordered, okay? So the Disney Lilo and Stitch collection, that includes the wax bars, guys. The wax bars is what you can get in your club so that you can continue to get it. the Looney Tunes collection that has bars in it. Disney, the Lion King collection, and the summer collection. And the garden bundle and the Glam Buddy collection. There are no second chance or pre-sale redemptions ending at 11:56 p.m. Pacific Time, Sunday, July 31st. Okay? So, make sure if you want any of those items, like I said, get them in your club or get them ordered. Stock up on them if you want to. All right, so now we got some news coming up for August. I got a thing here that says host a $350 party in August and get a free warmer. So, hey guys, if you want to do a party, book a party with me. We'll do it. We'll book it and we'll start it in August. It's got to start in August and end in August. Do $350 in sales in it, and you'll get a free warmer. And let's go on here and let's talk about that. It's a great month to party to celebrate our new fall winter 2022 catalog. We're offering a free warmer when you reach $350 in host space. Qualifying parties must both open and close in August. This incentive begins 12:01 a.m. Pacific Time, August 1st, and ends 11:59 p.m. August 31st. Pacific Time. The host space total must be $350 to qualify. Please note that the free warmer will be selected at random from one of the three following styles. So you don't get to really choose which one, but it'll be one of these three. The Amazing Grace warmer, the Glisten warmer, or the Aloe Vera warmer. And I'll either try to insert those here, pictures if I can find them here. If I can't, maybe I'll do it at the end if I can find pictures, okay? If I can't, guys, they should be, I think. Go to my website and check them out. Try to look for those warmers. The Amazing Grace, Glisten, or Aloe Vera. Okay? So yeah. So if you're interested in that, we can do that. You don't have to have a party at your home. We can do everything online. I can give you a party link, and we'll just do everything online. Everything would be shipped to your customers. You don't have, or to your guests, and to you. So yeah, it's very easy and fun to do. So let me know if you're interested in that, and we can get you all set up. And it doesn't matter, like I said, we can do everything online. It doesn't matter if you're down the road from me, if you're 1,000 miles away from me. We can still do parties for you, and you can earn hostess credits, and half price items as well. And now a free Scentsy warmer this month or August. Okay, also, warmer and Scentsy bar bundles are available in August. Get a 4-bar bundle free with select warmer purchase while supplies last. All right, starting at 12:01 a.m. Pacific Time, Monday, August 1st. That would be 3:01 a.m. Eastern Time at my personal website, guys. Starting August 1st, when your customers purchase one of our select warmers, they'll get a bundle of 4 out of the Vault Scentsy bars free. Ooh, so these bars are not available. Okay, so these are out of the vault. It is a $23 savings, okay? So you can select from the following warmers. You can get the Letterboard, Shining Light, Why are you blushing? And those are the free warmers you can choose from, okay? Then select one of the following free Scentsy bar bundles, okay? You get 1 bar in each fragrance. So they have the Days of Summer bundle, which has pineapple, coconut, vanilla, which I have that one. That's really good. Watermelon Wave. I've not tried that one, but I heard it's good. And Seashore, Wild, Barefoot, and Free. Okay, that is bundle, Days of Summer bundle. Okay, the Hello Fall bundle, you would get Apple S'mores, Autumn Sunrise, Cozy Chai. I have that one. That's good. Perfect Pumpkin Pear. I think the Apple S'mores sound good. And then the Corner Bakery bundle, which is Almond Croissant. I wanted that one to win. Brownie Batter, Sugared Cherry, Walnut Raisin Muffin. Okay, bundles are available only while supplies last. Yeah. Scentsy bar bundle fragrances are not eligible for Always Get My Bar, Part Perk, and Scentsy Club. Warmer and bar bundles are eligible for host rewards. Okay, so yeah, check that out. I do have a picture here of the warmers that you can choose from. That's the letterboard. And that's the Why Are You Blushing? And what was that one? Shining Light. Okay, so there's a picture of that, guys. And then you get your 4 bundles. So you get to choose those. All right. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today, okay? I've been trying to get everything done and caught up. So I think this is my... I want to say this is my 4th video today. So, I got some more videos I'm going to be working on. I'm working on not transition. Well, actually, my transition tester kits, guys. So, when they transitioned out of the summer catalog into the fall-winter catalog, a lot of my scents changed. And I think almost all of them changed. Very few of them were kept. So, there's a lot of new scents I want to go through with you with my catalog, guys. So, that's what I'm going to start working on next on video, because I'm going to do like, there's so many of them, I'm not going to do all in one video because it's just too many. So, I'm going to do by section according to the catalog. Like, we're going to do the first set, part 1 will be the new fragrances, the 10 new fragrances that are coming out. And then the next one would be, I can't remember, I think it's holiday. So each section we're going to go through, and I'm just going to do it. One section would be one video. I think that'd be easier and faster, and it won't be taking up so much of your time. Because I'm going to be bombarding you guys. I'm going to be uploading a lot this week. So I hope you like that, and I hope you stay tuned. And yeah, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed and click the notification bell. And that way you're not going to miss anything. And if you're already subscribed, thank you guys so much. Click the like button, share. I love you guys so very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm trying to keep up to date with everything that's going on, but things move so fast with Scentsy. So I'm working on it. Okay, I'm on it. I feel like a reporter. This just in. This just in from Scentsy. Sorry guys, I'm getting kind of tired. So I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys.